Hi, it's me one more time. I just wanted to add to my milestone video about how I got my subscribers. I did get asked a question by one person on how I got so many comments and likes. I didn't get that many, but I did get some. The trick for getting comments and likes is you just want to make sure you show your video channel and or playlist to people who it means something to. So, I mean, I've told my husband, I've told my mother, but I've also told people in fibromyalgia support groups and multiple sclerosis support groups, because that's what I've got. And my video channel is all about, hopefully going to be about me showing people how to do things like energy medicine and Reiki treatments. I've ordered a tripod because I ordered camera equipment, and what I ordered didn't show up the way I expected it to, because it was supposed to come with a tripod and it did not. We got ripped off. I kind of thought it sounded too good to be true. It was supposed to be a camera lens and a tripod, and it was just a lens with a bracket that does not fit my phone. So I ordered a new tripod. I want to be able to show people some of the energy exercises I've learned, but I can't do that since I have to constantly hold on to the camera. So if I'm ever able to get this tripod up and running, I'll be able to show you some of the energy exercises I've learned. Although, again, some people think that energy exercises and Reiki don't work. If you think it doesn't work, do me a huge favor, keep it to yourself, because it does work, and it works whether you believe in it or not. But anyway, I just wanted again to just come in and let you guys know that hopefully soon I'll be getting the videos in, but the way to get likes is to make sure you advertise your channel to the right people. Tell people you know about the channel. Have them check it out. Tell them you want comments and likes. They may do it for you. You never know. All of the comments and likes I got are completely organic, but I did mention to my husband and my mother and to a bunch of friends who have these medical conditions that those videos are up there. So that's how I got them, and that's how you can too. Take care. Ciao.